Hi, today I'm going to cook a simple chicken soup with noodles. For the soup, I prepared noodles, potatoes, carrots, and onions. Cut the onion into half rings. Grate the carrots grated on a coarse grater. Fry onions and carrots in oil. Boil the chicken drumsticks in the broth. Peel the chicken and slice the meat. Pour the chicken broth into the onion and carrot. Put the chicken meat in a saucepan. While the vegetables and meat are cooking, I slice the potatoes. Add the potatoes to our broth. Do not forget to add salt, pepper, and seasonings to taste. Add boiled water from the kettle. While the soup is cooking, I fry the dry noodles in vegetable oil until golden brown. This will give a golden color to the broth. Next, add the fried noodles to the soup. After a few minutes, I turn off the heat on the gas stove and let the soup brew. Enjoy your meal.